In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook search not working. Whether you're using Outlook on the web or the desktop app, search issues can be incredibly frustrating when you need to find important emails quickly. I'll walk you through the most effective solutions that actually work, including clearing your browser cache and rebuilding the search index. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, let's address Outlook on the web. If you're experiencing search problems in the browser version of Outlook, a simple restart of your browser can often resolve temporary glitches. Close your browser completely, then reopen it and try searching again. If that doesn't work, clearing your browser's cache is the next step. This removes stored data that might be causing conflicts. To clear your cache, go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and select the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to include cached images and files, then restart your browser. Another quick solution for Outlook on the web is to try using it in a different browser altogether. Sometimes browser-specific issues can interfere with Outlook's functionality. If you're normally using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge instead and see if search works properly there. Now, for the desktop app version of Outlook, the most common fix involves rebuilding the search index. This is a more technical solution, but it's highly effective for persistent search problems. Here's how to do it. First, close Outlook completely. Make sure it's not running in the background by checking your system tray. Next, open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by typing control panel in the Windows search bar and clicking on the result. Once control panel opens, look for indexing options and click on it. In the indexing options window, you'll see a list of locations being indexed. Click on the advanced button near the bottom of the window. This opens the advanced options dialog. Under the troubleshooting section, you'll see a rebuild button. Click on rebuild to start the process. A warning message will appear, letting you know that rebuilding the index can take a long time to complete. Click OK to confirm and begin the rebuild. This process can take several hours depending on how many emails and files you have, so it's best to do this when you won't need to use your computer heavily. Once the rebuild is complete, restart Outlook and test the search function. Your search should now be working properly, and that's it. You've successfully fixed Outlook search not working using these proven methods. Whether you're on the web version or desktop app, these solutions should get your search functionality back on track. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.